Have you people ever wondered that how do some people get the truth out of you? Even though you are not willing to tell that person, even though you are not eager to be interested in the conversation, but yet the people take the truth or the hidden thing out of you. It is because they implement certain sort of dark psychological tricks that help them to get the truth out of you or truth out of anybody else. So if you are the one who's not gonna be the victim of it anymore, then stay along with the video and we would be studying about the major tricks that these people use. In the very first case, they praise you in order to get to know your ego. Now there would be three types of the reaction depending upon the ego of the individual that a person holds. The first one would be the ego strength. It is the most desirable form of the ego where the person validates the praise that people have been doing for him or her, and then he tends to say you something good as well. For example, if I praise someone, oh wow, you're looking so beautiful, the woman would the woman with the high ego strength would be saying that, oh thank you so much, you also look good today. So this is the level of the ego strength when a person has a high ego strength. Whereas second one is fragile ego strength. The person with the fragile ego strength would not validate the praise that has been done to him. Secondly, he would be taking out his insecurities out of those praise. For example, if I say that you're looking good today, that person would be saying that don't I look good every day? What's so special today? I haven't put on makeup today. Maybe you are taunting on me. Maybe you're the one who is saying me in a lame way. So this is someone who has a fragile ego. Last but not the least, we have the arrogant ego one. The one who would become arrogant after listening his or her praise, which is really a red flag in this case, and such people should be avoided in some cases. So, did you people know that how do people observe you keenly only by doing a single small act without even you realize it? So, the best way of taking the praise according to the psychology is whenever someone praises you, you must be the one who accept that praise with a lot of love and respect. And secondly, you should be saying something really very good to another person as well. That would convey that you are really very humble person and you would be the one who would be trusted and could be shared some sort of personal information as well. Secondly, avoid the craving of validation again and again and again. If you have received the validation, that's well and good. If you have not received it, then validate yourself by yourself so that you could stand out inside the crowd. Another dark psychological hack is telling the incomplete truth. They would be informing you about the 70% of the story and would be leaving the story at some sort of really very gossip point. And then they would look at you and maintain the silence in that case and would expect you that you would be completing the story in that case, and you out of that gossip scenario you would be the one who would be completing that story. That would be leading that person, that would be telling that person that how curious you are and how uncontrollable you are in certain cases, and this way they can judge that are you a good person to keep the secret or are you a good person who could be given a secret of a certain sort of a person. So, such people use you in order to spread some certain sort of fake news about someone else. So, someone does it in any case, then be really very careful of such person because they are trying to use you for some reason. On number three, we have playing dumb around you. Such people who are trying to judge you psychologically or trying to apply a dark psychological trick over you are the ones who are trying to play dumb around you for most of the time. Even in very obvious situation, they would play dumb that they are unable to comprehend the situation or they are unable to understand the situation. Sometimes people play them in some case scenarios as well. For example, if some sort of vulgar talk is being there, so some people just do not try to indulge in that case and play them. That's a different scenario. But such people who are trying to psychologically dominate you or who are trying to manipulate you in one way or another, they play dumb in 99% of the situation. What do they do? That if you ask them to do a certain task, they would say that, nah, I cannot do it. You are the one who can do it. Okay, fine. The way you're explaining it, can you please do it for me? I just could not understand. I'll just mess it up. Can you please do that for me? So a person, such sort of statements in a very regular manner, is the one who is trying to manipulate you. So be aware of such people and do expose them at a certain point so that they could stop doing it. The other trick that the manipulator use is the success bomb. The individual just praise another person's success, and if you validate that praise, if you are excited over the success of another person, then the person interpret about you that you are the one who has an ability to see another person happy, whereas the individual who just get low on hearing the success of another person are the one who does not like another person to be really very successful in their life or may have certain sort of personal grudges in their heart in one way or another. Another trick that is being used by the manipulator is that they give the choice that benefit them. It means that they'll ask you a question and give you the choices for that question. You'll get to know that both of the choices benefit them, or majorly they're asking you a question by creating a delusion that they are asking you a question and you are the one who is going to give the answer according to your own choice. But in reality, you are the one who is going to follow their choice. For example, they will ask you that when should I call you? At 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. So in this case, just have a look that both of the timings are given by the manipulator and they are trying to convince you that it's your choice. But at last, when you get into the detail or depth of the conversation, you get to know that you are the one who is following their choice, not yours. So this was all for today, and this was only the part one of the manipulator around you. If you want to have many other videos on the same topic, then please do let me know and we would start this series of it. Up till then, have a really, really good day. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel so that we could meet ahead as well.